Hi. Hi guys. We're going to cook today eggplant with the beef. And I think maybe a lot of people already did that, but we're trying to cook within 30 minutes. And I have my own eggplants in my garden. So we're going to pick up eggplants and we go and get it right now. Let's go. Okay guys, we are in our garden and here's my eggplants. I have a good, look like good enough, more than good enough. So I'm going to start picking up. And hey, the bigger one, I'm going to take that. Oh, look at that, how big it is. And then right here, bigger one. I'm not going to take the small one. They're small still, but I'm not going to pick them. I'm going to get those. There's a couple more really good ones. Here's one, two, and that'd be good enough too, bigger one. That's too many. Okay. And now here's some more. This one is really big. There you go. And this one is. Here's some white ones, black and white. Here's another bigger one, white. And here's there you go. And here's one more. There's one more right here. I think. I think the other ones are small, so we keep them, and that's more than good enough, We might make something else too, So here's our eggplants. Some are white in there, and I'm going to pick some tomatoes too. So we need some tomatoes with eggplants, so I'm going to pick some tomatoes too. There's no room left in there. I thought. Okay. There's some more. I have some more right here. And we need some jalapenos too. We have some. So I need some jalapenos. I'm going to take those, which we needed for cooking eggplants. So I'm going to pick those too. And a couple more already. Okay, now let's go upstairs and start cooking them. They're falling. Not enough room left in there. Should bring a big pot, for that. Something bigger. Okay, let's go. Let's go upstairs, okay? Okay guys, we brought our eggplants and we're going to clean up, wash them, and they're a little bit dirty, and then we cut it into small pieces, peel them and cut it in small pieces, and then we cook them. There's a lot, but I'm not going to all of them, that's not a party, that's just need a little bit, I don't need that many. But I'm going to clean all of them first. Those are the white ones. Look how pretty they are. bigger one. I leave them in there. The jalapenos and tomatoes, they're all washed now, you know. So I'm going to put it on the other table and I'm going to cut them. Okay, here our eggplants. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to peel them because that skin is too hard to eat and cook. So I'm going to peel them like that. Need to take that skin out. So that skin is, I don't like skin to eat. Some people might do, but I don't. And here you go. There's a So I already cut too many, so I'm going to cut a couple more. Okay, our cutting is done. So I'm going to put that in the water and soak them in the water. Okay guys, the beef, I got it a beef and I made it in bite size. So then I'm boiling right now to take all the mess out, and you guys know that I did that on the first movie, and that's what I'm going to, it's almost boiled. I'm going to take all the mess out and clean up the meat, and then I'll put all the ingredients in there. Okay guys, I already cleaned up all the meat. As I told you guys, you know, I made a bite size the beef, and now and then use that much water because we're going to cook that on the pressure cooker for almost 10-12 minutes. So we're going to put those ingredients in there. You know, that's one onion cut, and then those are almost 2 big size of tomatoes, and 2 green chilies, which is hot. You know, you can use jalapeno or whatever you guys need it. So I'm going to put those in there. Okay, where's my spoon gone? And I'm good. So this is done, and now we're going to put okay, here we have 2 spoons of ginger and 2 spoons of garlic. We're going to put that in there too. Okay, here you go. Okay, now we have those spices. I have 2 spoons of red chili, which is not extra hot, is hot, but 2 is good enough because we eat a little bit spicy. And here's the 2 spoons of salt, and here's 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Here's 1 spoon of cumin seeds, and here's 1 spoon of garam masala, which is you can buy from any Pakistani Indian store, and I'm going to put those in there. Okay, now what are we going to do now? We turn the heat on, and we're going to, let me get that lid of the pressure cooker, put it on, and it's ready to cook. It takes 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, In the meantime, as it's cooking, we're going to start cooking our eggplant too, because as meat get done, the eggplant will get done too. So I'm going to get that eggplant right here. I have a little bit of water in there, not too much, and we'll keep it in the medium flame, and it will start cooking. Okay, guys. As we put our meat on the pressure cooker, is almost 10 minutes now, and the same thing with our eggplant is getting cooked too. So what we're gonna do is we turn off the gas, and we take the. What I do all the time, I take this pressure cooker to take the gas out right away. So I put it in the right here and take the gas, and gas goes way real quick. You don't have to wait for 10 minutes to take the gas out. I think the gas is out right now. Let's see. What we're gonna do, this one we put it on the oven again, and we dry out all the water, and then we put the oil in there and make that beef ready to add in the eggplant. So that's I'm going to dry out the water first. Okay, now but as we put our eggplant, they're getting cooked, look like. Yeah, they're cooking right now, So there's a little bit of water left in there. In the meantime, the meat get done, that will be get done too. So then I will show you the next how we do it. So we just wait for let the water dry in the meat. It's cooking in a medium flame, so it will get ready pretty soon as we finish it. Okay guys, I'm now going to take a look that the water is dried out, and as you can see, all the water is dried out. So what we're going to do now, I have that 6 spoons of oil, corn oil. I'm going to add them in there, and what we're going to do, we're going to cook that oil, and until the oil comes on the top, we keep cooking, and then we're going to add them in the eggplants. So we just keep like that and let it oil comes up. As you can see now, the water is almost dried out and oil start coming up, and we just wait a couple minutes, and then we're gonna put it in the eggplant. Eggplants are almost ready too, it's almost cooked. We just need to add that beef in there, and that will be, and then we keep it for 5 minutes to let them mixed up, and that will be ready. As you can see, the oil is coming up now, so it is ready to put it in there. So what I'm going to do, I turn that off, and I'm going to take that. It's hot, so I'm going to pick with this one like that. I'm going to add them in there. All that beef. So it's done, and then mix up with the eggplants, and it is really tasty. You will try yourself. And beef and eggplant, they're really good. So they're mixed up now. So we're going to put it on medium flame for 5 minutes to get mixed up. And there you go. I'm going to put the lid on and wait for 5 minutes. Okay. I'm going to take that eggplant off from there. And they are ready to eat. Okay, so I dished out, and you can eat with the tortillas, or you can eat with the rice, boiled rice, or however you want to eat it. And it will be very tasty, and you will like it. And if you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.